Welcome to Romania Airport, madam. Bună ziua. Please passport. So you come from is not real, Israel, no?
Sorry?
Don't bother, it's too late. Purpose of the visit?
I'm a tourist.
Okay, so terrorist, tourist. My English bad, very bad sometimes, you know. This is so offensive. You're done. Do you know who my father is? No. Why, your mother didn't tell you? Oh, she must have been very busy with the real estate business in Gaza, you know.
Oh my god, I'm totally gonna tweet about this situation.
Oh, of course, freedom of speech and everything, but make sure to use AI very good. So, tell me, occupation?
No, I'm just visiting.
Oh, what a relief. I meant, what do you do for